Welcome to SIMSE, an educational game-based software engineering simulation environment that helps simulate software project management lifecycle models. These models help software designers to follow a pattern to produce successful software. This process can take months to years, but this software helps users to get introduced into different lifecycle models in a short span of time. So if you go to this website highlighted, you can actually get SIMSE, and when you go to that URL, you can go to the downloads page and scroll down to get a game. Each game actually simulates a certain lifecycle model, and they have the waterfall, incremental, code inspection, a rapid prototyping model, RUP, which stands for Rational Unified Process, and extreme programming models. So I've already downloaded the waterfall model, so I'm gonna go and load it up so we can see what we're getting ourselves into. You start it up to give you a welcome screen briefing you on what the model or the simulation is about, and we see that our budget is $280,000 and we have 1,350 clock ticks, and these clock ticks are simulated time, not real time. When you scroll down, we'll be scored out of 100 points at the end of the game, and each employee is paid on every clock tick. So if they're getting paid and they're not doing anything, they're going to be quite happy about it and they're going to tell you about it. So you want to always have them working. So we click OK to get into the game. So as you can see, we have 7 employees that they gave to us for this model, and if you right click on each employee, you see their information at the bottom of the screen. So we clicked on Emily. She has 3 years experience on requirements, 5 years experience in design, and so forth. If you click on Andre, you'll see that he has way more experience. He's paid at $35. Now, if you think that Andre needs to get paid more or less, you could actually right click on the person and actually change pay rate. So let's say we pay him $50 instead of $35. Click OK, and you see he gets changed and edited right here. So his new pay rate is $50 an hour. But if you click on this guy right here, Roger, you know that he's a beginner in everything. So I guess he has no experience. He gets paid $10 an hour. But if you really don't want him on the project, you can actually right click on him and just fire him. Okay, now he's gone. So we can go up here and look at our artifacts. We see that we need a requirements document, a design document, some code, and then a system test plan. And then our customer. Our customer is Mr. Eddie Murphy. And our employees, we have 6 employees now. We had 7 before, but 1 got fired. And the project we're working on, the detail is also down here. The name is Groceries at Home. So we have a set of tools. We have 4 tools that we can use, so we need to go and purchase them. We need to purchase all 4 tools because we need the IDE for coding. We need the requirements capturing tool for the capturing requirements. You know, a testing tool at the end of everything, and a design tool. So we click OK. We go and now assign people to do things. These are the list of things we can actually do to each person. So first we can start with a requirements document. So it's a waterfall model. So we'll let everyone work on this document, and we use the tool that we purchased, Steel Trace. Click OK. And now on the right hand side, a list of current activities, so each employee and what they're doing. So we click next event so we can progress time, and as time progresses, it's showing up now, as time progresses it's only stopped when there's a new event, and a new event is when one of the employees either complaining or saying something happened or they're finished doing something. So we're just waiting to see what happens next. So we see here that we cannot actually move around our employees, they just stay fixed. It's just a set screen. So we see here that Eddie Murphy gave us some new requirements, so we have to go and make changes. So we have to review the requirements document first to see what we need to actually edit. Click next event. So as they're reviewing, he's going on another break, so he just stopped the clock. Let me continue. Okay, So after review the document, we need to go and then reviewing. And then continue. So we see that everyone has been on break except these 2 employees. So I think they've been working pretty hard. So I'm going to give them a bonus. Right click and actually go to give a bonus. So we can give her maybe 1,500. And give Andre here maybe $2,000. And we need to actually correct the requirements document because we now have the new requirements from Mr. Murphy. So we should go ahead and do that so we can go along with the project. Continue. Oh, they're thanking us for the bonus. We're done. It takes approximately 40 minutes to get done, 30 minutes. But we don't have time for that, so this is just an overview. So we're going to actually pull up the RUP model just to see what it looks like. Same thing happens. This is the RUP model. We have almost $2 million for our budget here, and we have exactly 800 clock ticks from today. And they give us an overview of what the RUP model is. There's an inception phase, elaboration phase, construction phase, and a transition phase, and give us a little rough idea of what each phase is, so we can go ahead and into the game. Same here. We have some artifacts, that customer, and the employees that we have, the project and the tools, so we can go ahead and purchase the tools we need. And then after that we can actually begin the exception phase and then assign certain employees to the inception phase. Should assign everyone to the inception phase so everyone has something to work on. And then we decide who's going to assess the inception phase and who is going to actually start the iteration. So we can have a bunch of employees working on stuff in parallel. And we start our event, and then it's just the same as a waterfall model. We just use this model to tell us what to do, what phase we're in, what documents we need. Oh, I guess she's not doing anything, so we need to assign her to do something. And then that's it.